and welcome to Iconestry. Today's video is about the TATCHA Dewy Travel Skincare Kit. I ordered this kit from Sephora. This is the unboxing part. Stay with me for the full review of these products. The first product in the box is the TATCHA Dewy Skin Cream. This one is a 10 milliliters container, and the cream is made in Japan. On the back it says replenishing Japanese purple rice for dry skin, and purple rice is apparently antioxidant. The second product in the box is the Rice Wash Soft Cream Cleanser. It's 50 milliliters and it is for normal to dry skin. On the back it says pH neutral cream cleanser of rice and hyaluronic acid that gently purifies while moisturizing. To use add water to create a rich foam and massage onto face rims. The smell of the cleanser is quite pronounced. It smells clean, a little soapy, and the cream smells fresh. Moving on to the trial of these two products, I can say that they are very nice. The cleanser, you will see, has a very rich texture and is kind of sticky. It does create a very rich foam, very thick on your face to wash. And the moisturizer is not too thick, but it does, it's in the middle. It's a nice gel, and when you apply it, it does create a very luminous type of finish. You will see as I am rubbing in the cream how luminous the skin becomes. In general, I prefer a matte finish when I apply cream. What I can say about this cream is that the luminous finish does provide a very young looking effect on your skin. Your skin is plump and looking very young. My overall appreciation is that I would reuse these products. The cleanser leaves your skin fresh and a little moisturized. The dewy skin cream leaves your skin luminous. At this price point, I would stick to the mini size. The next videos will be on the Origins and the Ordinary travel skincare kits. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.